So this is our first time we are actually doing a CNS summit, and we designed this because ISRS is rooted in brain and spine, and that's our hallmark of how the organization started. However, we've changed and we've challenged ourselves to adopt stereotactic body radiotherapy and bring it into the complement of education that we offer our members, because the field emerged. And it emerged really directly as a result of radiosurgery in the brain, to the spine, to the body, and the organization then became more of a radiosurgery and stereotactic body radiotherapy organization. And that's really the hallmark of our main meeting. And that main meeting will happen in Sydney at the end of May in 2026. But this summit is unique. And this summit is unique because it really represents a master class for brain and spine, and bringing together those decades of experience of how we go further in radiosurgery for brain and spine tumors. Well, we have a lot of exciting developments in the International Stereotactic Radiosurgery Society. So what are some of these new events? So one in particular is the fact that we are hosting the event in Sydney. So that'll be our biennial meeting. And we're really excited for that, and Cecilia Gazelle is leading that in Australia, and it's going to be a terrific meeting. But we also have some other interesting initiatives to really showcase the dedication of over the years of people who've made this organization. And one is a designation called the FISRS, so a Fellow of the International Stereotactic Radiosurgery Society. So we're going to be launching this award, and essentially a designation for all the past presidents of the ISRS. So we'll be presenting this in Sydney, but we're going to be launching this new program on our website as well, and it will continue thereafter to recognize 2 radiation oncologists, 2 medical physicists, 2 neurosurgeons who've dedicated themselves to radiosurgery, and award that every 2 years at our biennial meeting. So that's a real exciting development that we've started, and that's going to launch essentially today with the announcement at the ISRS corner. Well, first of all, I'd like to say we've had a terrific CNS Summit. It is a major success. We had great engagement with our sponsors, with our attendees, with our speakers, and we thank everybody from around the world that came to Geneva to make this a hallmark event that will continue for years going forward. But Sydney is going to be very exciting. It's launching in 2026. The website is launched. As the president of the ISRS, I welcome everybody to attend the Sydney Congress. It's really going to be something special. And at that point, it'll also be my pleasure to hand over to the next president, Jason Sheehan, who will be taking over the reins, and I'll be able to sit back as the past president and wind down after being involved in the organization for almost 15 years now.